It's faster than I can type. Tyler
The
didn't
pressure
get
is
it.
real with this one.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, okay.
I wonder what the experts at this game mode are like.
Oh god, imagine a speedrun of this.
What is there to speedrun? Alright, let's get to 2 minutes, boys. 2 minutes.
Get past somehow.
I'm here to protect you, Brandon.
Look.
Nah, you're just gonna die.
Bet. See,
I just baited him off on you.
So if I'm in an area I can do this, then we're chilling.
That doesn't work too well, Tyler.
Sometimes it does. Oh shit! Oh,
40 seconds.
oh.
2 stars, boys. 2 stars.
It's an exhausting strategy.
A mentally exhausting strategy. Monster Whisperer right here.
What if I could do this in real life to get past all my problems?
I'm pretty sure you don't have enough lung capacity for that, Tyler.
Can I just button mash in real life to solve problems?
No, apparently not.
As long as I'm right here in this spot, I can spam all the buttons and get out of here. Time to go! Time to go! Time to go!
Oof.
Oh,
4 stars, boys.
Ah!
oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah!
No, crap. My loneliness meter down, up. Crap.
Yellow, red!
No, no. Up, right, right.
Up,
Left, up,
left!
up,
Green,
down.
left.
No! 1 minute, 57 seconds.
That's the same time last time.
Fuck.
Your best time is still better than my Elias.
I mean, by a few middle seconds.
By 0.2 of a second. Just under. We gotta get to 2 minutes, boys. Down, down, right, left, up, down.
Oh yes, it is recording. It is recording. Alright.
You got your audio and microphone on?
I'm getting audio. Wait, let me make sure it's getting my audio.
I'm a monster whisperer boy.
Yeah, okay, it's collecting.
Oh crap, I'm not a monster whisperer. Tyler help me, Tyler help me, Tyler help me.
Elias!
Elias help me, Elias help me, Elias help me.
Save his ass!
Thank you, fam.
Yes.
I'm probably gonna name this video like checkers or some shit.
Shoot. I'm gonna have to
4-dimensional checkers. No, not even chess, 4-dimensional checkers.
get to move. Friend,
Checkers or some shit.
you know what I mean?
AKA, Barbarian, whatever this game mode is called.
It'd be like checkers or some shit, and then Barbarian. Whatever. What is it? I think it's. Oh shit. I don't remember the name of the game.
Barbarian.
No. No, wait. Tyler help me, Tyler help me, Tyler help me.
Alright, I'm on my way.
Get the medkit, get the medkit.
On my way.
Don't let Elias die.
No! Oh no!
Tyler, get moving, Tyler.
It's up
Come.
there!
Get-
Hurry!
Press the buttons faster,
I'm pressing the
Tyler.
wrong ones! Ah! He blocked me!
You got curve stomp, Tyler.
Let's see what we can
Disappointment intensifies.
do. We got disappointed.
I'm drinking a disappointing sip of Mountain Dew here. It's disappointing because it's lost some of its carbonation. Because it's been sitting out here for like an hour, I don't know.
This game is too fucking fun.
Back to the ice castle.
Oh, this is the part where I danced.
Sorry, I'm back.
Wait,
You were gone?
Brandon,
Oof.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna stay here so I can dance, because I remember I just can spam all the buttons up here on the castle and I'll be safe.
A rat. Hello, Elias. Okay,
Hello.
goodbye, Elias. No! Why'd one have to spawn nearby me? Down, up, right, left. Up, left. Left, up, left, down, up, right, left, right. Nope. Nope. Right, down, right, left, up, left, right. I appreciate the video game traffic management here. Right, up, down, left, right. Hello, Tyler.
Brandon, you're ruining my strategy. Brandon, you're ruining
Goodbye,
my strategy.
Tyler.
You're ruining my strategy.
Don't die, Tyler.
Jesus.
No, wait. Uh. No! Tyler, help me, Tyler, help me, Tyler, help me. It's gonna spawn near you. It's gonna spawn near you. Never mind. Elias, help me, Elias, help me.
No!
Yeah! Aw, crap.
No!
I'll help you, Elias, my boy.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
No, Tyler, don't die. I need my camera view. Shut up, Courage. You're getting chased by the good one. Hi, Elias. Bye, Elias.
No!
We're at 2 minutes. Oh, crap. No.
Go, Brandon, go!
Oh,
6 stars.
I panicked.
Oh my god.
Look at that. 2 minutes and 15 seconds here. 2:15:15. Victory Mountain Dew sip. Just as you said, Tyler, mild Mountain Dew.
Oh! I found a loop. Yeah, I'm gonna memorize this so I can just loop around this.
Up, down, down, left, up, up. Up, down, down, left, up, down, right, up, down, down, left, up, down, right, up.
I'm not having any luck, my ball.
You'll need to learn how to cram. I did a long time ago, Tyler.
Starting time.
Clouding the chance of meatballs time.
Cloudy time. Flintlock time.
Flintlockwood.
See my beautiful
My throat.
son, Kyle?
He looks fucking ugly as shit.
I can't see the stupid arrow behind the tree. Right, up, left, left, right, down, left, up. Oh crap! Right, down, left. Oh crap!
I wish you could have more people on this game. I would totally buy a game where it's just this, and you can have
No.
like 16 people. Where did I go?
No, but like, instead of the computer trying to kill you, you guys have to kill each other.
Oh my god!
How would that work?
Like, you have to squash each other first.
That would seem a little hard.
Exactly.
We're pros at this now. Except for Tyler, he's just doing that.
I juke that dude.
Oh crap! Tyler, get out of my way, Tyler! Ah! Elias! Get oh.
What?
He got stomped by the difficult one. You were halfway through a jump too, man. Aww. I like the lava monster better than these boys.
I don't think I've ever laughed harder at more of a stupid game.
I'm at the corner of the map, boys.
Really?
I love maps like these. Tyler, you're about to die.
Nah.
You're doing the monster whisperer thing. Time it right, Tyler.
He starts to jump faster than I can switch off. Brandon, look out!
Oh crap. No wait, it's Tyler. Why? Why did Tyler have to get res first?
Yeah.
Bring me back, Tyler. Give me your reparation, Tyler. Oh crap.
On my way. I'm gonna get that medic.
If you'd press the right buttons, Tyler. Please. Oh crap.
I pressed Y!
Tyler! I need res, Tyler! You're there, Tyler! Down, left, right! No more loneliness. Oh crap, I'm back. I thought it would be Elias. I'll bring you back, Elias.
Please.
How did I get out of that? Oh my god!
No.
Where's the med bag? Where is it? Tyler, widen the stupid camera angle. I can't see anything. Oh crap, there it is. I see it.
Come on, Brandon.
Come on, Brandon!
No wait.
Yes! Yes!
There you are, Elias.
Thank you.
What the fuck? What the shit? What the hell?
Elias, help me, Elias, help me, Elias, help me. Oh!
Sorry.
Ah,
Oh, god.
got him. No, we didn't get him. What time is it? 9:49.
Jesus
I got some time.
Christ.
Let's get moving.
It looks like an ancient dance.
No, not really. It just looks like you're jumping really fast. If you'd mind, Tyler.
No, not really, not at all.
I'm sorry, the phrase is if you wouldn't mind. I'm the king of the hill, baby. No passing for you, Tyler. Oh crap. Man, these monsters can jump really high. Ah, I remember the name of the game mode now. Back off, Barbarian. Oh crap. Nah, Tyler. Oh wait, that's Elias. Oh crap, I wasn't paying attention. Oh. I need a medic bag.
I can't.
Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no!
No.
No! I couldn't see the freaking arrow! Because this camera
Oof.
is bad.
Oh, I'm back.
I'll drag hold the aggro. You guys work on actually surviving.
Don't worry, Tyler. We'll res you if you die. Oh crap! Don't corner yourselves, boys.
Cook the ball!
Oh shit! No!
Tyler, keep the camera angle zoomed out. I need to see the med bag.
I know.
Or not. Or you could do the exact opposite. Aw, crap. Right. Left, down, right. Well, I guess now I know where the med bag is. Ah, there. No. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
It's in the top left.
Uh,
Come on, Elias. Imagine this with like.
Oh!
Guys,
oh, the hard one killed them.
imagine this with Dance Revolution like that.
Dude, I'd have died a few minutes ago if that were true.
Oh my god.
I'm legitimately not capable of playing Dance Revolution.
Physically?
Yeah. Or I can play one song, but really crappily, and I will not do the second song.
Can you play Guitar Hero?
No,
know
I can't play that either.
I can play Drum Hero.
Oh yeah, Drum Hero is the best game ever quite possibly conceived. I have one of the sets in my garage, but I've never used it in probably like... It's gotta have been, what, 9 years now? I don't even know if it would still work. Does the Wii U still have... You see, Tyler? Oh crap! Your rat strategy doesn't work every time. Down, up.
That was the one time button mashing faster than the monsters can move did not help.
No, don't die a second time with the same strategy. We're not even at a minute yet. Alright, 1 minute, 3 stars. No, wait. That's a little after. Oh, now we're at 3 stars.
Time to panic, time to panic, time to panic, time to panic.
No, it's never the time to panic, Tyler. In case you're unaware.
It's panic time.
No,
It's
no,
panic
it
time.
isn't.
It's panic time.
I can tell you in any given case it's not panic time, Tyler. Oh crap!
Oh, it's
Panic time! Don't die! No!
Oh shit!
No! No panicking time! No! No! Get it, Tyler! Get it, Tyler! Get it, Tyler! Oh! Somehow you looked out! Oh, no! 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 Great. Wait. Tyler's back again?
No!
Where's me?
Why not Brandon?
Bring me back, Tyler. You're gonna die of
I
loneliness.
can't get down up there! Oh shit!
You did just now.
No!
No! No! Tyler.
Come on! Come on!
And this stomper was on to you there. You got. I think you got your best time, Tyler.
Oh my god!
Ah, you got a new best. Oh.
Nobody else did.
Ooh. Because you were all dead half the stage.
Oh my god.
Ooh. I'm sweating right now, man.
This is a physically exhausting game.
That's me, but with every game.
Cookie clicker.
It's... Well, not with Cookie Clicker. Maybe with the Kittens game, but not with Cookie Clicker. That would just be removing of my pride. This is a nice wide one. I like this one.
I'm in a panic.
Never mind, I don't like this one.
Never mind, I don't like this one. Oh, panic time! Panic
Never
time,
mind.
Panic time! Panic time!
Tyler, it's not panic time. Not yet. Not yet.
Panic time!
There's not even 2 monsters on the map.
It's not. We're not even on a minute yet.
Yeah.
I
We're
can't
almost
cross the
there.
ocean. What the hell am I? Retarded?
Yeah.
Oh.
Also, you're in a full suit of armor. So that may or may not help.
Good point. I'm gonna just stay up here though in the north section because it's a good area where I can initiate panic time.
There's better areas to initiate panic time, as you call it.
I'm being approached by a strange man.
Camping is a legitimate strategy.
Panic time! Strange man approaching! Strange man approaching!
Stranger danger. Remember, if somebody gives you Halloween candy, always remember to check it for razor blades first. Because that's a thing that happened to some people. Like, ever.
Yeah.
I only know rotating the defense. I only know rotating the left stick.
Tyler, that isn't helping.
That's my
Oh
only
crap.
strategy. It's rotating the left stick.
It's he started stopping me.
Oh no! Oh no!
Tyler,
Oh no!
Tyler, stop panicking and give me. Oh, how'd you do that?
I got you, Brandon.
Thank you. I'll bring you back.
Live!
I'll bring you back.
Live! Don't die! Hey,
Oh.
give me that!
Oh no! Tyler, bring him back. Tyler, bring him back. Tyler, bring him. Oh, new best time for Tyler. Wait, we got to 6 stars. We've never been there before. No wait, we've just barely been there. Tyler's better than all of us. How is this possible?
I'm gonna switch to my right hand. My left hand's tired.
Dude. Bruh. Bruh moment right here.
Okay, this is a good spot to initiate panic time. Shoot it now.
Yeah?
Oh shit!
Nice job.
I wasn't paying attention.
Oh hey, that's lucky.
I'm back.
Now stop panicking.
Nah, it's always
You mean
panic
stop-
time. It's always
Not. You know the reason why your hand hurts? It's because you're panicking, Tyler.
It's always panic time in Tyler Town.
Tyler Town doesn't sound like a very good place.
Everything's just on fire. And there's barbarians everywhere.
Always panic time, huh?
And everybody in the town is known knows only one thing, which is to run in circles.
How do they survive on a daily basis?
Shit.
I'll bring you back, Elias.
Alright,
Hopefully.
thank you. If we can make it that long.
Alright, the medkit's got, Tyler, go find the medkit for me.
Get it!
Ah, crap.
It's over yonder way. Yonder way.
No!
Yonder
Tyler,
way.
Tyler, get it, Tyler, get it.
Yonder way.
Tyler, doing that will not help. No, you're about to die of loneliness, Tyler. Everybody in Tyler Town is dead, Tyler. Get over there. No. No, Tyler. Tyler, why have you done this? Alright, I gotta shut up because my mom's gonna, I gotta keep quiet. That's all. Ooh. Right. Let's just relax here for one moment. You see, isn't that great? Okay.
Stop all
Now,
this.
panic! Oh, I gotta show.
Wait, I'm gonna start seriously. Oh no, it doesn't work.
Tyler, don't die because you started to use the keyboard. Or at least you tried to start using the keyboard.
It doesn't work.
Come on, boy. You got what it takes, monster bro? Huh? Huh? They don't even try to come after you if they're not aggroed.
Unless you tempt them.
I did just now. I was 1 block away from him. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
That's a whole lot of barbarians.
They're barricading the bridge.
Help me!
I'll survive for you, Tyler. We're about to hit 4 stars.
How am I alive? How am I alive? How am I alive? This is, oh
That's
my
a
God,
good question.
What is this guy? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, Tyler, help us, Tyler, help us,
Don't
Tyler, help us,
panic!
Tyler. Don't stop panicking. No, get out of there, Tyler.
I can't go direction. Oh my God, no.
Right. Oh, Tyler, you need to stop panicking. Reduce your heart rate.
Tell me to reduce my heart rate.
Just will it lower. What, you want a member of the Ubermensch like me? Those who have evolved to the perfect form through epic gaming? Yes. Hello there, Tyler. This is easy. Yes. 30 seconds. You can be calm, just don't die.
I jump!
I'll get you guys out of here. You look like you're in a fix. Hello. I'll bring you back in a— oh crap!
Run! Run!
Yeah, I will. Oh. Tyler, get out of my way, Tyler. There you are. Get out of there. We're at 1minute and 10 seconds. Everything's alright. For now. They've inverted my smile. What is this?
Oh, my smile's still good. My smile's still good.
Stop with this camera crap, Tyler. I can't see where I'm going.
Wowzers! Oh my God! What the hell? Oh my God!
Tyler, get over there. Where's the medkit? Oh, there it is. Down. No! He stopped too fast. Sneak attack there. Ah.
I'm sorry I died.
No problem. Let's get this bread this time.
This game is the opposite of stressing me out.
They gave me a stupid spawn.
Oh yeah, that looks like a pretty stupid spawn. They gave me a stupid spawn too. Oof.
Like when you
Monster spawn?
when you resurrected me, Brandon, they spawned me near enemies.
Oof. Yeah.
This is a
And I was like,
good panic spot. Should I have to come to that?
Tyler, it's not supposed to come to that one. There's one enemy nearby you. I think you have a wrong definition of panic. Why is my smile broken?
Your guy just never smiles. My guy does. What's happening?
Neither does mine.
I guess not. Or maybe it's just like that from the start. And I haven't been paying attention.
Yeah, it is. He's always not smiling.
I like our little cardboard cards though. One of them's aggroed on Tyler. You'll be fine. No, Tyler.
Oh!
Don't panic just because you see it about to stomp on you. Bro, moment. Just keep moving, Tyler. Keep moving.
Oh, we're not good.
In an orderly fashion.
I'd be the one to
Ah!
I'd be the one to start punching people during a firearm.
Who does that?
Elias,
Get out of this. Oh. They blocked you in.
Oh, I got sandwiched.
You got sandwiched, man. That was crap. There's too many. Alright, this time just don't walk in the one block spaces. Keyboard is much easier on the fingers, Tyler. It's probably gonna give me carpal tunnel syndrome though.
Yeah, but on the keyboard you can't just rotate the left stick to do this.
I can spam all 4 buttons though. Although it's slightly less efficient, slightly. I like how there's no lag anymore. No, speak of the devil. We're at 40 seconds, peeps.
No.
Oh no, it's panic.
Hello, Elias.
That was Gabe. Gabe went, oh no! It's good, it's good. It's like thumb exercise.
Of the thumb.
Exercise of the thumb. Remember that guy in Ratatouille that was like, yeah, I killed him with this thumb. You just had to play this game for like 3 hours.
Yeah.
Well, no, you couldn't just play the game. You had to play it like I do. Oh no! They get progressively more mad if you let them stomp a bunch of times in a row.
That's why you shouldn't let them, Tyler.
No. Oh my god! Oh no!
We're at 1 minute, nearly 2 minutes now.
No! Oh no!
Oh.
Survive!
Get it, Tyler.
I'm trying, but
Oh boy. Oh boy.
get it, Grey Boy.
Go all the way to the right. All the way to the right.
No,
Oh.
just why? Come on.
Hey mate, you got a new time, Elias. No, never mind.
Oh.
Damn it.
I was dead for too long.
I think I had enough backup Barbarian for one day.
No, or not. Should we play a few more rounds of this, Elias?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just-
We'll let Tyler's heart not explode, and then we'll come back to it.
Sounds like I've been like a 2-hour workout.
Now, you've been on a roughly 1 hour mental workout is why, Tyler.